you're the channel for all things beautiful and functional for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most exciting and functional additions you can make to your home, a dedicated outdoor grills area. If you love entertaining, cooking outdoors, or simply enjoying the fresh air while you whip up a delicious meal, then this video is for you. We're going to explore how to create a grill area that's not just practical, but absolutely stunning. So, what exactly is an outdoor grills area? It's more than just plopping a grill on your patio. It's a thoughtfully designed space dedicated to outdoor cooking and often, dining. Think of it as an extension of your indoor kitchen, but under the open sky. It can range from a simple, well-organized spot for your portable grill to a luxurious, fully equipped outdoor kitchen with built-in appliances, counter space, and even a sink. The core idea is to create a functional and inviting zone where you can comfortably prepare and serve meals outdoors. Now, why should you invest in an outdoor grills area? The benefits are abundant. Firstly, it significantly expands your entertaining capabilities. Imagine hosting barbecues, pizza nights, or even full-course dinners al fresco. It's a game-changer for social gatherings. Secondly, it keeps cooking odors and heat out of your main house, especially during those hot summer months. Thirdly, it adds incredible value and appeal to your home. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a highly sought-after feature. And let's not forget the pure joy and relaxation of cooking outdoors, surrounded by nature or your beautifully landscaped backyard. It's an experience that truly enhances your lifestyle. Once you have your core grill set up, it's time to bring in the style. Decorating your outdoor grills area is crucial for making it feel like a cohesive and inviting space. Start with functional decor, durable, weather-resistant seating and dining furniture that complements your overall outdoor aesthetic. Think about comfortable cushions and throws for added coziness. Add string lights or lanterns for a magical ambience, especially in the evenings. Potted plants and herbs not only look beautiful but can also be handy for fresh ingredients. Consider outdoor rugs to define the space and add texture. Don't forget practical yet stylish accessories like attractive utensil holders, serving platters, and even a small bar cart for drinks. The key is to blend functionality with aesthetics, making the space both practical and pleasing to the eye. Nothing signifies the start of summer more than the smell of something delicious sizzling on an outdoor grill. Gone are the days when a portable charcoal barbecue was your only option. Now, there's a wide variety of grilling station designs, sizes, and functions. Plus, practical add-ons like built-in sinks, outlets for extra appliances, and food prep counters are all in demand. Whether you're adding a new outdoor entertainment area or want to upgrade your existing barbecue setup, these outdoor grill ideas are sure to have you cooking up a storm and impressing guests. One, design around your grill. Why not make your grill station the star of your yard? An anchoring focal point in landscape design is an outdoor grill idea that helps provide purpose and cohesion. Showcase your grill and build the other design elements around it. In this yard, the furniture placement, surrounding border plants, trellis, and orange accent colors all help draw the eye to the grill area. 2. Add a stone surround. Modern outdoor grill ideas can complement romantic cottage garden landscaping. Here, natural stone offers rustic style that fits with the potted plants sprinkled throughout the outdoor kitchen. Plus, stone finishes are hard-wearing and heat and bacteria resistant. Keep in mind that you'll likely need to seal a stone surround to keep grill splatters from penetrating. 3. Connect your outdoor grill to the indoors. Outdoor cooking and dining areas provide practical living space. And by cleverly blurring the line between outdoor and indoor, you can create continuity in your outdoor grill idea. Coordinate color palettes and textures, and consider the placement of furnishings to unify the two areas. However, keep patio doors closed if you don't want cooking smells wafting inside. 4. Create a grilling zone for year-round use. If you're investing in a top-of-the-range grilling station, it's a plus if you can use it year-round rather than just in the summer months. Designing a covered patio, especially one that joins directly to the house, lets you do just that. But you don't have to have a formal extension on your home. Add a pergola for a lower-cost yet functional alternative. 5. Put in a pizza oven. If barbecued burgers aren't your bag, use this outdoor grill idea to make an authentic Neapolitan-style pizza instead. Whether you go for a traditional wood-burning stove or a gas or electric-powered alternative, there are many outdoor pizza oven options. A covered spot to prevent the pizza stone from cracking when wet is a must, and a traditional brick design is something you can DIY. 6. Add shine with stainless steel. If you're looking for a modern, practical, and stylish finish for your outdoor grill station, you can't go wrong with stainless steel. This weatherproof material won't corrode, can handle hot temperatures, and lasts for years with little maintenance. Plus, its sleek look complements just about any outdoor kitchen design. 7. Build a pergola to create shade. No one wants to stand over a hot grill when summer temperatures soar. Incorporating some shade into your design can help keep things cool. Whether you build a pergola that also acts as a focal point for your design, set up your outdoor grill under tall shade trees, making sure there aren't overhanging branches that could create a fire risk, or screen in part of your patio or deck, you'll be thankful for this relief on scorching days. 8. Make the best use of small spaces. Even if you only have room for a small backyard grill station, it can still feature functional extras. The key is good planning and keeping clutter to a minimum. Any accessories you introduce should always have a purpose. An L-shaped grill design, like the one above, makes smart use of space, though it might mean you'll have your backs to guests when barbecuing. 9. Create a cohesive space. Don't let your outdoor grill idea stick out like a sore thumb in your yard. Blend it with other elements in the landscape for a serene space. In this yard, the color and texture of the brickwork are the unifying elements. The trees and plants help to add a layer of textured interest, and the outdoor dining table placement ensures a natural traffic flow around the patio. 10. Consider your color palette. Black isn't a typical color in landscape design, but it's a great outdoor grill idea that adds contemporary drama. Here, black exterior paneling provides a stylish backdrop and draws the eye to the grill station's warm wood and contrasting steel tones. Plus, dark colors make greenery pop. 11. Opt for modern minimalism. If your cookouts are all about having a space to kick back and relax, keeping things clutter-free is crucial. A modern, minimalist backyard grill idea can create a soothing atmosphere, and contemporary styles are easy to keep clean and make grill areas seem more spacious. Plus, minimalist designs can be more economical. Limit the number of materials you use in the space, stick with an understated color palette, and think about well-defined boundaries in the surrounding landscape for a streamlined look. 12. Embrace your favorite design style. If you're drawn to a particular design style, consider incorporating it into your outdoor grill area, especially if the theme already runs through your indoor spaces. This luxurious outdoor cooking and dining space encapsulates old-world style. With vintage accents, wood beams, and rustic nods, it creates a welcoming atmosphere. 13. Carefully consider grill placement. Don't forget safety considerations when deciding where to locate your grill in your yard. You don't want it too far away, making it a chore to bring all the supplies down from the house. Equally, it shouldn't be too close, you don't want smells traveling right back in the door. Plus, to minimize fire risks, you want to keep it a sufficient distance away from structures and clear of any overhangs. Any outdoor seating should be close enough to make it easy to socialize with guests and pass them plates of grilled goodness while you cook. 14. Install tile. You don't have to confine tiles to indoor kitchens. They're easy to clean, hard-wearing, and available in a wide range of designs. But if you want to use economical and versatile tiles as part of your outdoor grill idea, consider frost-proof porcelain tiles rather than ceramic. That way, they won't crack or absorb water when winter temperatures arrive. 15. Build with a view in mind. Take advantage of beautiful vistas beyond your backyard by creating a focal sightline in front of your outdoor grill area. This can make your space feel bigger. Frame the view to emphasize the beauty in front of you using walls, hedges, tall plants, or fencing. Add decor to your outdoor area to give it the extra touches it needs to feel like a part of your home's living space. You can hang art on the exterior walls or install shelving for plants or pottery displays. Outdoor rugs help define a seating or dining area and come in large or small sizes. Colorful planters add greenery, and outdoor pillows bring colorful accents to seating. Invest in dinnerware that's unbreakable and safe to use outside for entertaining. If you need more privacy, outdoor curtains are an attractive, easy-to-install solution that creates a cozy atmosphere. Remember to consider your existing outdoor space, your budget, and how you envision using the area when choosing the best design for you. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing the outdoor grills area of your dreams. Whether you're planning a simple setup or a full-blown outdoor kitchen, remember that thoughtful design can transform your backyard into an amazing extension of your home. Get inspired, get creative, and start envisioning those delicious meals and memorable gatherings. If you enjoyed this video and are ready to elevate your outdoor living space, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and practical tips to make your home beautiful, inside and out. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our new videos. And we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite outdoor cooking essential? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.